Normally when you have a center stand, you can use that center stand. Hello guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And I'm still busy on this beautiful the Ducati Multistrada 1100. And today we're gonna renew the rear brake fluid. So I would say come on over and we start. Guys, the first thing we're gonna do, suck out the old brake fluid at the reservoir. There is a stone over here, more tiny. Hop. Oops. So. Okay, that one. Then we have this one, that plastic thing. Okay, and then we have the diaphragm. Oh, guys, this is a tiny reservoir. Oh my goodness. Come on over. Here, I got my squeeze bottle. Guys. Okay. Give this one a clean. Hop. Yes. Then also gonna do the outside a bit. So, yes. And now, the brake lever is on this side, but the caliper is, oh wait a minute, over here. On the other side. So now we have to use a strap. We're gonna mount a strap onto here to the other side. First we're gonna fill up the reservoir. I like to use Castrol React Performance DOT4. Why? I don't know. It's a good brand, never had a problem with it. And I always put it in those tiny squeeze bottles. I love it. Hop. Carefully fill it. Yes. Up, close the bottle. I know myself. Guys, when I don't close and lock the bottle, I kick it around at one point in time. Done that so many times before. Then, guys, this is an eeny meeny reservoir. Now, we're gonna use a strap, so I can pull it on that side. Let's be an angel. Dee, 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 dee. Normally when you have a center stand, you can use that center stand to push so that goes over here, but this will work too. I hope. Now let's see. Get the camera on the other side. First, we're gonna take that one off, and that's think 10 or 11. See? It is 11. Why in the world? Well, quick open close. Yes. This one. This. Let's see. Yes. So then we're gonna put this one onto it. Okay. Then let's see if I can pull it. Yes, there he goes. One lower. Okay. Have to look. That's. They made something good. I have a view on the reservoir. Well. Oh. Open close. Open close. Okay. Then we're gonna fill the reservoir. Up. Okay. Okay. Up. Are some bubbles coming out here? And it becomes clean. See? So. Okay. Hop. Yes. It's his. These are the bubbles that coming through the thread. But it's all right now. It's all right, mama. Then the next thing we're gonna do is take the hose off again. Okay. Sure. close your, yes. Then we're gonna do the old mechanic trick. Okay. Hop. Oops. Okay. And then yes. We leave that for now. Now guys, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the stuff. First this wonderful mini diaphragm. There is so much room, yeah, it's the exhaust perhaps, plus yeah, it's Italian, huh? Turn it inside out. Give it a nice clean on the inside and on this side. This side is actually okay. Then wheel it back in its original form, like this. Then we take that wonderful plastic thing. Okay. Oh. Clean that too. Then clean the cap. Okay. Okay. Yes. Then we're gonna fill it. But because the bike is leaning over, I'm gonna fill it to there. No, bit out is too much. Something like this, yes. Be sure it just touches. Yes. Then this wonderful plastic thing. Hop. And then the cap on top. So, up, not too tight. Okay. Then I'm going back to the other side and place that rubber cap on top of my air screw. And I'm gonna check it if it has no cracks. Maybe I can, no. And I'm gonna take this one off. Yes. Okay. No. Up. Yes. Oh, guys. Now my strap is all filthy. Okay. Okay, out of the way. So guys, this was my video, the last one. I had to do some quick stuff. He's gonna sell it, and he said, old mechanic, I want you to make it safe. Not more than that. So Changed the brake fluid in the front and in the rear. Top off the oil. Didn't renew it. Needed just a bit more. Placed a new battery inside of it as it was standing still for quite a while. I did the rear brake fluid change, and as you could see, it was rather easy, just a few tools and job done. So I hope to see you the next time, and for now, Old Mechanic.